Baby Jackson, look at the camera. Baby Jackson, look at the camera. I think he's super quiet. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? He's second. Where's Mommy? Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? There she is. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? There she is. I teach you how to PC. Yeah.
Aw, you're sweet. You're such a good big sister.
He started seeing me. Why does he want to play with me?
Because he loves you. You're his big sister.
I know. He's so cute. Oh. Baby Jackson. Where's Veronica? Where's Abby? There she is. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy's son? There it is. Where's Baby Jackson? There he is. Cool. Yeah. He was trying to lick his fingers. Can I hold him?
No, not right now.
Okay. When you're done taking pictures of him,
We'll see.
look at your pretty buttons. Look at your buttons. He always loves his buttons on his clothes.
He does.
So, Mommy, why did you guys get up last time?
What?
40 years?
I don't know what you're talking about.
50 seconds.
50 seconds?